In this video, you'll learn how to file a claim on eBay. This guide explains the steps needed to report an issue with an order, ensuring that your concerns are addressed effectively. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the purchase history section, which can typically be found under the My eBay menu. Here, you will see a list of your recent transactions. Locate the specific order related to the issue you want to report and click on it to open the detailed transaction page. This action allows you to review the order information and confirm the problem with the item, ensuring that you select the correct purchase. Within the order details page, search for the option labeled Report a Problem or Open a Case. Click on this option to proceed with filing your claim. You will be prompted to choose the appropriate reason for your claim, such as item not received or item not as described. It is essential to provide clear and detailed information regarding the issue you are experiencing. If necessary, you may also upload supporting evidence, such as photos or messages, to strengthen your claim. Submitting this form will notify both the seller and eBay about the problem, officially starting the claim process. After you have opened the case, the seller will have a chance to respond to you. If the seller resolves the problem promptly, you may not need to take further action. However, if the issue remains unresolved, eBay may step in to review your claim. You can monitor the status of your case through the Resolution Center. This section will provide updates and any instructions from eBay regarding the investigation. It is important to follow these instructions closely to ensure that your claim is handled properly. Once the case is resolved, you may receive a refund or another solution depending on the nature of the issue. Keeping track of the case data is crucial as it helps you stay informed about the progress and any actions required on your part. Be aware that resolution times can vary based on the seller's response and the complexity of the issue, so patience may be necessary during this process. That wraps up today's guide on filing a claim on eBay. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.